morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the crude oil market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The euro rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The price of Bitcoin dropped as investors broadly began shedding risk on fears of a global economic drawdown. Fintech companies based in London raised more funding from venture capital investors in the first 6 months of 2021 than in any other year, demonstrating the British capital's resilience as a hub for digital finance. The euro climbed across the board, and the Japanese yen was on track to post its biggest daily rise this year as investors dumped risky positions in currency markets.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count will be released at 1700 GMT, Finland's industrial output at 500 GMT, the Austrian industrial production at 700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY&C net positions will be released at 1930 GMT, the UK's manufacturing production at 600 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.